In the heart of the Australian outback, there once lived a kookaburra named Korra. She was known for her hearty laughter that echoed across the land, a sound that filled everyone with joy. One day, Korra's laughter stopped. The land grew silent, and the animals were puzzled. They asked Korra why she had stopped laughing, but she only shook her head, unable to explain. A wise old emu named Eli, who had seen many seasons, decided to help. He asked Korra, "What has caused your laughter to fade?" Korra replied, "I no longer hear the laughter of others. I fear my laughter is no longer welcomed." Eli thought for a moment and then said, "Let us go on a journey. I believe we can find the laughter you seek." They journeyed far and wide, meeting various animals along the way. They heard the laughter of the kangaroo as she played with her joey, the laughter of the possum as she clung to her baby, and the laughter of the wallaby as he bounded through the grass. But Korra's heart remained heavy. "Your laughter is unique, Korra," Eli said. "It is a gift that can bring joy to all. But it must come from within." They reached a large lake, and as they sat by its edge, Korra suddenly heard a sound. It was her own laughter, echoing across the water. She looked around and saw her reflection, laughing back at her. Korra laughed heartily, and her laughter filled the air once more. The animals rejoiced, and Korra realized that her laughter was a gift to herself and to them. From that day forward, Korra's laughter echoed across the land once more, a reminder to all that laughter is a gift to be shared and enjoyed. And the moral of the story is this: find joy within yourself, for it is a gift to be shared with the world.